Hi, this is Ryan from Independent Locksmiths and Security. Today I'm going to talk about the Masters 175D combination padlock and how to manage the combinations in the padlock. When you get the padlock in its packet, it'll be set to the default setting of all zeros. So it's a 4-wheel combination padlock, so you can see there the 4 zeros. To open the lock, you depress the shackle and it'll pop out. If you want to change a combination to one that you can remember, you just grab the change key. You'll need the change key. You pop that in this hole here and turn it 90 degrees, like so. Change the combination to the one that you want. Then take the change key out. To change a combination in the future, you'll need that change key, so don't lose it. Then you pop to lock the padlock. You need to put the shackle back into place and scramble that combination to lock it. So you'll see now it's locked. So to run through that again, if I now go back to all my ones, which I changed it to, and depress the shackle, that'll pop open. Then I put the change key in, turn it 90 degrees, change that combination to what I want it to be, in this case all 2s, take the change key out, put some pressure on the shackle, scramble the combo, that's all done. So that's how you manage the combinations within the Masters 175D combination padlock. Thanks.